So using selling price group feature, you can sell the same product in different prices. Like if suppose you have a product, you want to sell the same product in a wholesale price, in a retail price, or like if suppose you want to sell it at a different price based on the locations, then you can sell the same product in different prices based on their different locations. As well as you can sell the different as well as you can sell the same product in different prices to different customers. And also using these features, like you can sell the same product in different prices based on the type of service they are using. So let us first go to our product and add a selling price group. So we will go to the product. Here we have a selling price group. Here we can add different price groups. Like if suppose we have a different price group name as retail, I can add a retail price group over here. I have another price group name as location one. Like I can name it anything. I can add different price groups, and then again I have to go to the list product and I have to update the product with different prices for all the different price groups which we have added. So I will go to this particular product and I will click on add or edit group prices. So if I will click on it, you can see like it is showing me the default selling price for both of this variation, black and white variation for this particular product, and it is asking me for the wholesale price, retail price, and location one price. So let me just enter this one as 500, this one as 5, that one is wholesale price is 500, retail price is 550, this one is 600. Same thing over here as well, and I will save this particular product. Okay, after I have saved this particular product, I want to suppose I want, if I will go to the POS screen, and here it is showing me the options like which price group do I want to use. Like, do I want to use the wholesale price, retail price, location one price, or which price group I want to use. So I can, if suppose I want to sell it in a wholesale price, I can select the wholesale and enter the SKU for the product. So you can see like the it is showing me the price subtotal as 500. So unit price is 500 over here. If I will make it as retail, okay, I will change this one as retail. So now it's showing me 550 as the price. Again, I will change the price group. Okay, now it's showing me 600. So based on the different price groups, it will show me different prices over here. So here we have the option to select the different price groups. But if suppose we don't want to have these options, like we want when it is in location one, it should automatically use the location one price. When it is in location two, it should automatically use the location two price. So for this, we can set the default price group in our business location. So I will go to business locations. In settings, we have business locations. In business locations, I can set the default price group, set a price group for this particular location. So I am in this location, awesome shop. So I will change the default price group as, let me change it as retail, and I will update this one. So if we have multiple locations, for each locations you can set different prices over here for different price group over here. Let me open the POS screen once again, and here you can see like it's by default it is selecting it as retail. I will search this product and it is taking the by default as the retail price. So here it's, since I have logged in with the admin account, it's showing me all the different price group over here. But if suppose I will log in with some other different user accounts, then it will not show me all the price group over here. So for this I have to go to the rules, and in the role I can adjust like which all price group do I want this particular role to have. Here we have access selling price groups, like which all price groups I want this particular role to have access to. So if I will only set it as retail, then it will only use the retail price group over here. It will not show all these options over here. And the third one is like we can sell, like if suppose we want to sell it in a different price based on the delivery method we have. Like if suppose someone is taking someone is taking it as a parcel, we want to have a different price for the parcel, we want to have a different price for like dine-in, we want to have a different price for like different websites. Based on different websites it will have different prices. So we can set the price group for different type of services which we are providing. So let me just log in with the restaurant login, and in the restaurant, like I can enable the type of services. So I have already enabled type of services. You can enable it from the business settings modules. So after I will go to the type of service, and in this type of service I will add another type of service, dine in. And here I can select like for this location what should be the price group for this particular location. Since it is a different business, so it is not showing me all the price groups over here. Let me just add another price group, the product. I will add a price group named as dine in, and I will go to type of services, and in this type of service I will select for dine in, I will select the price group as dine in. So here I can select the price group and I will save it. So let me go to the POS screen. Okay, so in the POS screen, I can select the type of services which I am using. If I will select it as dine-in, it will automatically take the price for the dine-in price group. So it's a very useful feature. Like you can sell the same product in different prices to different customers based on like if they are purchasing in a wholesale or if they are purchasing in a retail, you can set the same price. You can set different prices based on different locations. You can set different prices based on the type of services. So this feature is called as selling price group. You can find all the documentation over here in our official documentation. In under product we have selling price group. So that's all in this demo.